Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube app on Android. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now you should know if the YouTube application came with your mobile or you download it from the Play Store. If you downloaded it from the Play Store, you can simply delete it as any app. You can hold on it, then click on uninstall, or you can simply delete it if you have here the delete icon right here. But here in my case, the YouTube actually came with my mobile applications, so it is something like that. It is inside my system. So what you should do right now is to simply go to your mobile settings, then you should scroll down till you find apps. Tap on apps, then go to manage apps, then you should search here for YouTube, then choose YouTube application. Now here, as you can see on the bottom, we have uninstall updates and we have disable option. So here in my case, actually YouTube came with my phone. So the only thing that I can do right now in order to uninstall it is to click on disable option right here. And this is how you can actually delete YouTube application on your Android. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.